About macros, I will provide a separated chapter also with VBA, which we're going so deep on that. And on the properties you might see or not, it is property of your document. You could protect your document, checking the inspection mode and manage your document. And help menu, and if you see Acrobat tab, you could create your own PDF version. If you don't see, doesn't matter, don't worry. Till now, we're checked overall the features a bit more deeper, which I didn't explain that much on beginner course. But after this, I want to show you how to adjust and customize your user interface and then start each specific chapters for phenomena such as tables, such as table of contents, more about autocorrection, and about, of course, the macros and VBA, which it is a big chapter.